morning, my name's Caitlin.
Oh, is that Caitlin? Oh.
And that's that, Caitlin. No, today we are at sea on the MSC Magnifica, and we don't really have a whole lot of plans. We're starting late. It's almost 10 now, right? Oh, it's 10:30, almost. Maybe it might be 10:30, I don't know the exact time. It's, 10:30 on the dot, and we're gonna probably go eat, and then, I don't know, we don't have plans for today, really, except for potentially doing the captain's party that you get invited to, certain people, if you've been a member or something. Anyway, so we're gonna take you along. So I got a lot. I got a donut, 2 pancakes, a waffle, potatoes, fries, hash brown, and 2 raisin things. So we went to one of these stores, and we just were looking just to kill time, and it's the Stranger Things. Lacoste and Stranger Things. Netflix. Lacoste and Netflix, but it's Stranger Things. They even have the bag. Alright, so we're back in the room. We're probably just going to hang out for a little bit. We're not doing anything until probably like 4:30ish if the weather's good, and if not, then it's 5:15, so we have plenty of time to kill. We're just coasting. So we're heading to the last production show. It's called A Circus Story. And then I will film, obviously, if I can. But if I can, I will tell you how it is afterwards. What is it?
MSC's the only one that you film.
Yeah, usually MSC is. Unless it's like not original production.
That's just interesting.
But anyways, I'll let you know how it is if I can't film. But if I can film, I will.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my circus.
Tonight is the night. Come take my hand into wonderland. Tonight is the night. Let the dreams come true. They belong to you.
Crazy circus, we don't do this for a purpose. Make you laugh, make you shout, and you're happy for a while. Welcome to this people, watch the
go back to your room. I just got a shower, but we wanted to recap the show and our cruise experience on the MSC Magnifica. What was your favorite part about cruise?
Show's probably in Key West.
For the cruise?
I rated a 7 out of 10.
Okay, so I would rate the cruise probably like a 7.5 then. The only thing I didn't like about this ship, and this is me being very picky, is we are the last room on the end. They gave this room to us, the very last room on the aft, like the very last one in the for balconies, and you can feel the propeller underneath the ship like move just the slightest. It'll be like it shakes and wakes you up and stuff. The walls are very thin, but that's kind of normal for cruise ships. Other than that, I've really enjoyed this ship. As for the show that we watched tonight, which was the story of a circus story. I forget what it was called. I told you earlier. Anyways, I would give it a 9 out of 10. I didn't really like the songs that they were doing, but the acrobats were amazing. Then they did like a farewell show type thing, as you saw, and that was really great. They did that on the Divina, but they didn't do it on the Meraviglia, so that was nice to see that they brought it back again. It was slightly different from the one on Divina, but anyways, I really enjoyed it. We'll probably include Disembarkation on this video, I'm assuming. We didn't have a whole lot of footage this cruise, mostly because we just kind of took it easy. We didn't really want to do a whole lot. So it's 7:30, and they just made an announcement that you had to be out of your room by 7:30, so we're getting our stuff ready, and we're heading out. I look so tired, because I am tired. I didn't sleep well. Anyways, so we will update you when we get off the ship. We've decided to do express walk-off, because we're up and ready, kinda. I feel like I'm still half asleep. So it took us probably, how long, Victory? 5 minutes?
Stay in line.
Yeah, 5 minutes to stay in line.
I don't know, maybe.
Probably about 10 minutes. Anyways, when we were checking out, they had somebody sitting there in case you didn't have your balance paid, like right before you get on the gangway, like we're on right now. They had somebody sitting there that like an open card balance, so you could just go right there instead of going all the way back.
Most cruise lines take you all the way back to something.
Yeah, it's frustrating.
They told them 20 times to put it on their account and they still don't pay it.
I don't know, maybe they thought it was covered. We stood in line at MSC probably 30 minutes waiting, I'm not sure. I think we got off the ship too early and they weren't ready for us through customs, so don't know why that was a thing, but it was. It's fine. Just be aware of that.